It's the Soft Spot on the Soft Network. What a beautiful afternoon. Having a great day right here in Mbombela. I'm not alone. I'm with my sister, Sister Refile Mashiko. Sawubona siswami. I'm so happy you've come again to be with us, and this time with Singatsa because you've got a second single titled Espambanweni, The Cross.
Yeah.
So Swami, the message is Espambanweni, The Cross.
Yeah.
Self-written second single. Awungitshele Swami, so bhale ama-single amabili and they both praise and worship uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Le journey yokubhala ingoma that can praise and worship uNkulunkulu ihamba njani so far?
Kuyasebenzeka because mawuthanze worship konke kuyashelela. Into mawungayithanzi ngeke uyende, but mawuyithanza kutowendeka ene uthandaze.
True.
Kutowendeka.
Espambanweni, The Cross, a message that I feel I can relate with nami as myself.
Yeah.
Yazi uthola empilweni kunezinto ukuthi we're all meant to be sharing the responsibility.
Yeah.
Uthole suku yakho wedwa.
Yeah.
Mhlamba sifani. When I say Swami says ref, what does the message mean ukuthi carry your cross espambanweni? What does it mean to you?
Lesinye isikhathi kuba madimi empilweni. Uthwala into letiningi uyi-one. But ngoba sibantu siyaphila. Ufuna uzame. Usithwale lesiphambano. Ekugcineni kunemvuzo lomuhle.
Umvuzo lomuhle also comes my message yengoma ithinta abanye. Bakhona kufila to like connect noNkulunkulu lapho bakhona khona. Now you're working with someone very special lama singles amabili, the first and the second. Go and tell about your sound producer, your engineer.
Eish. Angathi ngamchaza ngisini legend.
Yes.
Babu Goje.
Yes.
Mangaliso Sibanza. Upowerful kakhulu ene unemoya lo phansi.
Yes.
Unemoya lo phansi. Lendo vele shosi udalwe anayo. Tindo takhe nakakwendela dona ati fail. That's why ngakhona kusuka kuye bayangitshela ukuthi ngala but mangicabanga angibuyele emuva.
Umukhuluma ngomuntu odalwe na something special. Now as this ref, udalwe na something very special. You're not just a creative ngamagama. You're also a creative ngendwangu.
Yeah.
Looking at the beautiful dress that you're wearing.
Yeah.
You are talented, you are gifted.
Yeah.
Awungitshela about your journey ukuthi le talented, not just lo music but le mpahla nendwangu as well. Ukuthi ukhona ukudevelopa to this level. Khambe njani lapho?
Kona kusilula ngoba yabona lesikhathi siyayesibuka etithombe, sithombe usibona phambili kuphela.
True.
Emuva awusiboni. Sekufunakala usebenzise ingcondo yakho lapho ngilase kufunakala kuphumele lwadi lakho.
Yes.
Ngilase stokubona khona ukuthi hayi lento yayathi.
Yes.
Kufunakala lengcondo yakho ibe fast uma wenda ngoba indwangu ungazuyijubujubila isabuyele emuva.
Esan. That's true.
So kufunakala ube patient ene ucabange before uyoyenda lento. Ungagijima usimine ngibone bani nda so hlala phansi uthathe isikhathi. Yebo isikhathi sibalekile but kuthatha isikhathi mawenda into kubaleke kakhulu.
Taking your time indwangu ungazuyijubile akusana reverse. Yazi that's a lesson and a half. Plan ahead. Take your time and sometimes pray to God about it. Awungitshele seswami, awungitshele yes. The message is the cross. The message is Espambanweni. How close is your relationship to Nkulunkulu, and where do you see him coming empilweni yakho now and again and now and again?
Mina ngisonzelene kakhulu naNkulunkulu ngoba into lengiyendako iworship. Ngaphandle kweworship kude lokunye. Uma ngaka worship every day mangithandaza endlini ngo5 mangivuka ngiyaworshipa. Sebajwayele bayaphaphama but babuyele balala. Sebayathi ukuthi hayi mama soya worship angithandazi ngaka worship. Ene lengoma lesi esiphambanweni The Cross iyathinzana ungayilalela kahle ngoba esiphambaneni Jesu wabethelwa. Asathi ukuthi usinzisile nokusinzisa Jesu vele bekasinzisa thina bekafela thina. Mara still siyawona solo sifuna buyela yosinzisa. Solo siyawona yabona The Cross.
Kungako praise and worship of his name ibaleke more than anything else ngoba we sinned but still he keeps on saving us every day.
Uyamsonzeta uma worshipa uyamsonzeta usasonzele ku atova ukuthi ufuna kuthini.
Yini oyicapha ngayo right now empilweni yakho? I'm sure there's many places whereby uthi khona bengenze ngifike la mina ngemandla ami bengenze ngikhona ukuthi ngisonzele to this situation to the level engayo. So you understand what to praise, but then are there any examples empilo yakho whereby you say ukuthi ayi uNkulunkulu kade ngisondele naye lapha wakhona kungifezisa?
Eish. Kuyiwa nje kuphela. Yabona lesi sikhathi uma utehlisa mawufuna into utehlisa uyayithola lula than nokufika ubanga emsindo.
Right.
Ngihlupheke kakhulu but Musa ngifuna kurecord.
Right.
Ngaze ngakhula ngabamkhulu.
Right.
Senyalo ngiyabona kusinkulunkulu usho ukuthi beka ngilinzisile mina bengijaha beka ngilinzisile konke sekwenteka lula sekwenteka lula akusangihluphi ngiyabhala ngivuke ngibhala ingoma ipass
right
ngiyabhala ngithumele ingoma ipass nenedi kufika kwami nje ukuthi sengiyacula kuphela so uNkulunkulu une plan ngathi unehlelo ngathi ngitimpilo tethu yasithanza uNkulunkulu.
Hence the praise and worship yakho every morning ikhona because umbonile ukuthi azange I give up on you and azange futhi akushiye without fulfilling that promise lebekhona.
Yes.
So I mean yini lokho futhi that you feel like you got to be doing this year besides music, besides fashion. I mean lengoma the cross Esphambanweni, it's very very powerful.
Yeah.
Ngaphandle kwaloko, what else does 2025 have in store for Sis Refilwe Mashego?
2025 ungibekele ukuthi ngifuna kulauncha ilabel yami etimbahla.
Yes.
Na kanjani ngifuna kuyilauncha angeke ngisho ukuthi nini but ngifuna kwenda show ukuthi lo mnyaka uyaphela ngine perfume yami.
Yes.
Ngine label etimbahla.
Ngicela kuba imodel yakho leyi-one at least for.
Nginkinga ne height yakho iyavuma futhi.
All right, now inspiration yema designs akho ungitshela ukuthi manje you are currently working for kunemshado that is coming very soon and you are busy with that. Now lama designs akho are inspirishwa yini as much as ama lyrics engoma zakho that God inspired, praise and worship inspired. What about your designs empahla?
Mina ngidila kakhulu ngema evening dress,
yes,
attire necathulo nema bag. Yabona lapho ngangibeka khona cicile.
Usho isicathulo uyasakha from scratch?
Ngiyaqala phansi ngisicethe.
That's super.
Yeah.
So Ref, any last words about the album? I know you haven't launched it. It's still going to be launched on all the platforms. The title is Esphambanweni, The Cross by Refilwe Mashego. When can we expect, right round and about, because when a producer so upload an new album? I mean the single, my mistake, the single.
Ngikhulume naye ekseni namuhla.
Right.
Uthi usase busy utongitshela.
Yes.
So angeke ngimjahe ngoba ngiyamathi ukuthi umuntu lothanza kwenda into leti clean, leti right.
Right.
Ngitova ngaye. Ngitobeze sengiya announce.
Right.
Yeah.
So I mean my interview avam sekushare ama questions labalulekile. If enhlitiyweni yakho ikhona message ongathanda ukuthi uyindlulise, especially about the music, especially about your lyrics, especially about your relationship noNkulunkulu, for the public who's understanding ngqondo, ungathanda ukuthini?
Akukho umuntu longaphili longamthanzi uNkulunkulu. Because sivuka nje ekseni uvuswa nguye. Siyaphila siphiliswa nguye. Uthola umsebenzi uthola ngenxa yakhe. uNkulunkulu uyasithanza nethina asendi lokufanele. So mina ngiyamthanza uNkulunkulu, ngimbonile empilweni yami. Ngimbonile kakhulu. Ngimbonile ahamba nami as ingoma yasekucaleni isho athi ithi uhamba nathi.
Right.
Ngimbonile empilweni yami angivula amehlo. So ngiyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Akekho umuntu lomnyele engambonga ngaphandle kwaNkulunkulu. Namhla ngize ngitofika la, ngifike la kini. uNkulunkulu. Ngiyabonga.
Mahle magama akho Sis Refilwe Mashego. The next single is Esphambanweni, The Cross. And make sure ukuthi as much as you can go and check it out, Refilwe Mashego, on every social platform. But njoba shilo siswami uzo sazisa as soon as it is ready. So Refilwe, talking about The Cross, Esphambanweni, which is the second single that is coming up very soon. How can a young person relate with God? The cross, the relationship noNkulunkulu, the point whereby you are saved, uthole salvation. As umuntu omusha uma ukhuluma ngemessage ukuthi the cross, umuntu omusha fanele asonzele kuyo njani? Angichazele kancane.
Umuntu lomusha kufunakala akhethe uNkulunkulu.
Yes.
Athathe Jesu.
Yes.
Ngoba uyabona kusikwendakalana.
Kakhulu.
Ma drugs, tshwala,
violence.
Konke iviolence, babulala nabodwana, bayadubulana, but uma una Jesu, lo nembeza utoba nawo ukuthi hayi phela.
Akuhambisani nalo.
Angeke phela ngikwende lokho ngoba mina Jesu wangifela esiphambanweni wafa esiphambanweni wafela mina the cross uma uphakamisa amehlo wakho ubuka siphambano siyakukhutha ukuthi lokho ungakwendi uba nanembeza but uma ususa amehlo akhe esiphambanweni kuyaphela konke utocetsa abantu batophela abantu ubabulala ene ungathi kusikwende njani ngoba sisesisukile kuNkulunkulu especially abantu labasha ababuyele esiphambanweni bayosibuka
into lengikayiva isho umlungu thize
hayi
kusigoba kumlungu lo ishoko that it touched me but yangithinta lento it's if not you then who so uthola masawukhulile nje umuntu osokhulile umuntu omdala sometimes we have to choose the cross which means we have to sacrifice yabo le message of choosing the cross is to say it's okay it's my turn but ngoba ngiyabona ngekhambe kahle uma ngafostela ithi ngidonsele emuva kancane khali kuba nekuthula do you feel ukuthi the message across nakhona iyahambisana nokuthi ubabeketela simo ungadijahi ukhona ukuthi kusha wena lo sikusha emndeni wonke I don't know if kuyavisiseka
ngiyendeka lokho khona lesi sikhathi ubone ukuthi ukhona lo wonile emndenini but wena ucolele kuthwala tono takhe ngoba uyayathi inzaba yesiphambano the cross usima ubuka lapha esiphambaneni ubone ukuthi phela mina ngakhona kuyimela lento le sisaveke sonke akukho lokunye lengakwenda ngimele vele ngimele lo muntu ngoba mina inzaba yesiphambano ngiyayiunderstand yena akayiunderstand but next time sodomhlala naye phasi umtshele ukuthi siphambano siyakhuluma ngoba Jesu wafa wasifela sonke nami ngidowenda njengoba Jesu wenda nginifele
seswami ngaphandle ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ezwe ingoma yakho siphambano the cross abusiseke ngiyiphle indzawo omhlambe how else can a person because athole leyo connection noNkulunkulu leyo connection the messages phambano because mina ngicaba ukuthi mhlambe esondweni mhlambe mina khona kude emasondo umuntu ngamkhuthaza kanjani ukuthi asondele to the cross kanjani noNkulunkulu
kokucala inhlitiyo yakho ufuna ulungisa inhlitiyo yakho before uya lapha ulungise inhlitiyo yakho ilungi ngihlala ngisho ngithi story sa Jobe ngiyasithanza kakhulu ngosikade wa Jobe besaphele amandla ase sine sesiziniwe Jobe usuthuke lo nkulunkulu ufe bese uyafa Jobe wamphendula wasimine ngiyamathi imhlengi wami ukhona uyaphila so kuba kunengi ukuhlanganyele but ungabe wathi ukuthi nkulunkulu wami ukhona ene mawumbiti uyasabela uma unayi la phakathi kuye na umbiti uyasabela
That's the message from Sister Refilwe Mashego. The message is esphambanweni the cross, which means ukuthi remember God lapho kubantima khona. Remember God la ku easy khona nakhona.
La uthola khona konke. Ngamkhohlwa.
La kushelela khona ungakhohlwa
ungatsinwa. Ngoba yena akadzinwa ngathi. Akadzinwa ngathi uyasithanza and uyasivikela sina sibone. Mara solo siyachubeka siyona.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's the message that you're going to get from the next single Esphambanweni the Cross by Sister Refilwe Mashego. So someone ngicokela kahle kamnandi njani?
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, I know. How can we get hold of you? Sometimes we know how to get the music. Mhlawumbe singena kuma social media term. But mhlawumbe ngifuna ukuthumela i-message Facebook. Mhlawumbe ngifuna ukuthumela i-message nge-email. How can I get hold of you? How can I book you? Mhlawumbe ngidinga ukuthi ufike uzosibusisa.
Yeah. Kwanyalo ndangithola kule number lena 064 667 8883 ngisase lapho kwanyalo ngisalungisa lokunye lapha nalapha
calls and WhatsApp le number le
konke
Sister Refilwe Mashego, thank you so much for your time Siswami.
Ngiyabonga futhi, thank you so much.
It's the Soft Spot on the Soft Network. I'm Musa Wenkosi. Thank you for sharing, subscribing and liking our podcast. It means a lot to us.